Hello, good evening everyone. So, how are you all? Welcome back to JSS Collections. Today I have come with a few fabrics which are suitable for tops, or you can go for short tops or peplum tops or frocks for kids. All the cloths are up to 1.5 meters to 2 meters. Most of them are 1.25 to 1.7 meters, and the cost is only 50 rupees. So I will show you one by one. Whatever pieces you like, take screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp on the mentioned number. So let's go to the video. So this is the first fabric. Actually the color is, see, this is the proper color. It is of sea green color with dark black print. See, you can see the cloth is like this with the border, and the whole, it is like a cone print, and it is around 1.5 meters, and it has both sides border like this, and it costs you only 50 rupees. And the next is the proper shade is, I will show you that this is the proper shade. It's in coral shade with all over, it is like bandhani print, and it has border here. See, you can see the border, two sides border. Okay, and it is also 1.5 meters, and it costs you only 50 rupees. And the next is this one. It is also sea green with the print, and both sides border. See, you can see the border, both sides border, and it is also around 1.5 meter, and the cost is only 50 rupees. And see, this is really a beautiful cloth, guys. It is chiffon. You can use it as dupatta also for kids, or you can go for frocks and tops also. It will look great because it has golden color lines over this. See, you can see, and it is also, it looks like multicolor. See, it has navy blue, golden color, cream, mustard yellow, and dark green, red. So it's a multicolor. If you take this, and if you go for a short kurti, you can use lot of leggings and palazzos also, and it looks really great. It is stunning. It is also around 1.5 meters, and the cost is only 50 rupees. And look at this beautiful cloth. It is really pretty, and it has shine. You can see from the closer, it is shine. It is like a China silk cloth, like it is like China silk cloth, and it has a border also. You can see, this is the border. It is like cone print. It's really pretty. It has light yellow, dark and mustard yellow, cream color, pink, and with the black print also. You can see it has total black print like this. See, it is really pretty, and this is also a multi-purpose cloth. You can, if you stitch a short kurti, you can happily pair it up with 4 leggings and 4 dupattas. So you can happily use this as 4 dresses you will get with one top. And look at this beautiful cloth. It is like a paper silk cloth. It is I think it is paper silk, because it has little bit shine over here, and it has round print. You can see here it has a beautiful print, and it has a border also, double peacock border. See, it's really pretty, and its shine is also very nice, and it has both sides border, and it is also around 1.5 meters, and it costs you only 50 rupees. It is really very affordable price, friends. You can happily stitch clothes because it will be very cheaper for you if you take these fabrics and stitch at home. And for children it is really very helpful. Those who have kids and all, they will look stunning with these fabrics, because if you stitch gowns and all, really they will look pretty. And see, this cloth is, see, you can see it's a beautiful print. It is on one side it has this print, and the other side it has this print. It is a floral, so you can happily make a dress with this. And the thing is, the width of the cloth is more, so you can happily make a kurti, and you can pair it up with 3-4 leggings also. And in front you can keep this design, and behind you can use this one. It is magenta pink color with the floral pattern, and it is also around 1.7 meters, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it is around 1.7 meters, and it costs you only 50 rupees. And the next one is the same print, but the color is different, friends. It is a maroon cloth. See, I will show you the correct shade. Yeah, this is the correct shade, and it is totally floral print with the border over here. You can see on one side it has border, and the other side it has a thin border. See, you can see here, thin border. It is also around 1.7 meters. Happily you can make short kurti with this, and it also costs you only 50 rupees. And you can imagine, nowadays we won't get anything for 50 rupees, friends, and I am providing you 1.5 meters of cloth only for 50 rupees. You can happily take this and stitch clothes. And one more thing, it's really a beautiful cloth, friends. See, it's total, it has shine, you can see here. And it is mehendi green and maroon. See, this is the correct shade. I will show you, sir. This is the correct shade. Mehendi green with the maroon print over all over. See, you can see. And it has this type of border on the both sides. And it is also around 1.5 meters. And it costs you only 50 rupees. And see, look at this print. See, this is the maroon color. On one side it has a diagonal shape, this type of print, and all over it has floral print. You can see. See, this is the floral print, and it has small checks, also small print like this. It looks like check, but the print is like this. And it also costs you 150 rupees. And look at this beautiful cloth, friends. It's really pretty with magenta pink and sea green. See this, it is looking like turquoise blue, but it is not turquoise blue. It is sea green color. Actually, I will show you the correct shade there. This is the correct shade. See here, you can see this is the correct shade. Magenta pink and sea green color, and a little bit of orange and pink shade, and yellow and sea green shade it is. And it has a little circles also in between. See, you can see here in between it has circle print also. And it is also around the cloth is around, it is it is around 2 meters, friends. So it also costs you only 50 rupees. So friends, this is all the collection for today. This and this one, you can take screenshot. This one and this maroon and blue combination, and this is magenta pink and blue combination, and lemon yellow and light pink combination, and it's a multicolor with coral, light yellow, lemon yellow, and a little bit of golden color also. I mean, it is not the golden green, it is mainly green. And this one with the golden lines, you can see. And next is this sea green cloth. And next this coral shade one with bandhani print. And last but not least is this sea green color cloth with black and white print. So I hope you enjoyed my video and the fabric also. If you like this video, please click like button, share and subscribe, and those 3 are for free of cost. So please do that, and please support my video and share also. And if you think my prices are affordable, share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.